So there's this concept called the discovery rule, which means I couldn't have known that I had an issue, right? So let's say they did something wrong in 2015, right? And there's no way for you to know. Maybe you didn't visit the cemetery. Maybe you didn't see it. Maybe you didn't hear about it. And then in 2026, you go to bury, somebody on top of grandpa. You go to bury grandma on top of grandma in a double depth grave that we just talked about in another video. Go pull that video up.
Out, yep.
So, you buried grandma in 2015. You buried grandma in 2015. You go to bury grandpa in 2026, 11 years later. Only then, when you go to bury grandpa, the cemetery tells you, oops, we screwed up. We buried, in 2017, we buried someone on top of grandma by accident. Now we're going to have to move them so that grandpa could be buried in his intended grave space. Now, that's the discovery rule. You just discovered today
something
happened in 2017. Maybe there was a way that you could have known if you were at this grave all the time and you saw the disturbed soil, as we talked about red flags. Go check out the other video. You saw the disturbed soil. Well, maybe then you should have reported it in 2017. But if you didn't see it, you didn't know, and now you're just learning about it for the first time, well, then the clock starts to run from right now when you reasonably could have discovered it.